Hi boys and girls, it's me, Miss Malone again. Today we are going to continue on with our division. Yesterday we used a sentence stem and items around the house to solve division problems. Today we are going to do the exact same thing. I want you to take a look at our sentence stem for today. It says blank total objects separated into blank objects in each group equals blank groups. I want you to see how that is different from yesterday's sentence stem. Yesterday we started with our total, which we will always start with our total in division, and we shared between groups, and our answer was how many objects were in each group. Well, now we are switching it. We're starting with our total, and we're going to put objects in each group, and then our answer is going to be the number of groups we make. So the first problem we're going to solve today is 16 separated into groups of 2. Before we start, I want you to pause and get your sentence stem ready or your notebook paper and grab the items around the house that you're going to use. Just like yesterday, today I am using cereal again. So press pause, grab your items, and come back and join me. All right, now that you are back with everything you need, let's solve our first division problem. It says 16 separated into groups of 2. So I am starting with 16 total objects, and I'm going to separate them into groups of 2. So there's going to be 2 objects in each group, and we are going to solve how many groups that makes. So yesterday I knew how many groups I was making, so I would start off by drawing my groups. Today I'm solving to find how many groups. So I know that I need to put 2 objects in each group. Starting with your 16, make sure you have the correct amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have my 16 total, and I'm going to put 2 objects in each group. So here's 2 objects, 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 and here's 2 objects. I used my 16 total amount. So when I have 16 total objects and I separated them into 2 objects in each group, let's see how many groups that made. That made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It made 8 groups. Now, if you like your groups to be in circles or squares, you can circle them or put squares around them. But I still made 8 separate groups. All right, let's try another one. Okay, let's clear our boards and solve another one. The next one we are going to solve is 12 shared between 3. So we are going to take 12 total objects and separate them into 3 objects in each group. I want you to pause and do that now and unpause when you are finished to check your work. Okay, so let's see if you are correct. We have our 12 total items. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 total objects. And I need to make them into 3 objects in each group. So there's a group of 3, there's a group of 3, here's a group of 3, and here's a group of 3. So I've used all 12 total objects. There's 3 objects in each group, and let's see how many groups that made. That made 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Did you get 4? I bet you did. Good job. Let's clear our boards and solve one more. Okay, so the last one we are going to solve is separated into groups of 4. Now, please press pause, and I want you to solve this completely on your own. Set up your sentence stem, draw your picture, use your counters, and come back and let me know. Okay, let's see if you are correct. You have your 20 total objects, and you're separating them into 4 objects in each group. So when you do that, there's a group, here's another group of 4, another group of 4, and another group of 4. Let's see if you can see that. So we've used our 20 total objects separated into groups of 4, and let's see how many groups we made. 1, 2, 3, 4. We made 5 groups of 4. So if I take 20 total objects and separate them into 4 objects in each group, it equals 5 groups. Good job. Let's continue to practice